In this video, I would like to present part views functionality in ShipConstructor. As you can see, I am now in the planner group of the frame. Let us review part views. To access part views functions, we have to switch to SC Utilities ribbon. And in this part of the ribbon, we have part views functions. Part views can be shown in three ways. First one is load associated. First of all, I would like to show you properties of the part. I have selected one bracket and I run part information command. In the part information, we can see that this bracket has 4 identicals and 1 mirror part. But we don't know where are these parts located in the model. We can review these identical and mirror parts running load associated command. And I select the bracket and part views are shown in the drawing. It means that ShipConstructor has created copies of all parts associated with this bracket. We see identical parts and mirror parts. To distinguish between the real parts and part views, which are copies of the parts, we can change properties of the layer, and part views will be placed on the part view layer. We can change transparency of this layer to 70. And now we can visually distinguish part views from the original part. Now we can see where these associated parts are located in the model. I will switch back to SC Utilities ribbon, and we can delete part views one by one, or with part view delete all command, we can delete all part views shown in this drawing. Another way of using part view command is to show parts which are inside of the bounding box or which are intersected by the bounding box. To show this, I will M-link one more frame to this drawing. And I will run command load extends. We are requested to select the bounding box. I will click one point on the frame 54 and another point on frame 58. So I have created bounding box, and now ShipConstructor will collect all the parts of all disciplines which are inside the box or which are intersected with this box. So this bounding box works like cross window. Now you see all parts collected by this bounding box. And again, I can delete all the parts with delete part views command. One more option is load selected extents. To show this command, I will switch to the pipe drawing. And I will run this command, load selected extents. This command requires to select one or several parts in the model drawing. I will select this pipe, and bounding box will be created about the selected parts, and all the parts again inside or intersected by this bounding box will be shown on the screen. You see now equipment, structure and pipe parts which are intersected or included into this bounding box. Important to know that these part views can be used for selecting objects in the product hierarchy tree. I have started product hierarchy tree, and I will select one of these part views, and you see that this part is selected in the tree. And now we can assign this part to another assembly if required. Part views can also be used for checking local interferences in the area of all these parts. Drawing can be saved with part views shown, and then when you open it next time you will see all these part views. But it's important to know that if these parts, originals of these parts, were changed in the model, part views will not be updated automatically. If you want to be sure that you have actual part views in the drawing, you have to run command part view refresh. Then you will get up-to-date part views in the drawing. This functionality can be very useful when routing pipes, when creating foundations for equipment, when setting up product hierarchy, and during many other procedures.